Good afternoon, Internet. Got another quick review for you. This time on something I found very useful, very handy. It's a Technet Wireless Doorbell. So essentially you get this, that little unit there, which plugs in, and that unit on the outside. Now, what's ingenious about this is you can set it so that it rings and flashes, or just flashes. So if I can, let's see if we have the technology to be able to do this like that. So it's silent, and the benefit of that being, when I'm recording and my missus or someone needs me, without coming in and disturbing what's going on, they can press the flashing unit there and I can see it, and then when I'm finished the take or whatever it might be, I can then go and see why World War III has started or whatever the problem is, because it's never something simple, it's always a major disaster. So really this doorbell is a major disaster aversion unit. That's pretty much what it is. It's that important. I'll put the link in Amazon. I'll put the Amazon link in the description below rather. But yeah, if you're feeling insecure or you're unsure of the future, get a wireless doorbell that flashes. Takes care of all the problems. See ya.